Pô, é. Hello? Hello? Uh, yeah, testing. Can everyone hear me? Alright, let's hope. For those who don't know me, I am Midi. I make silly mods. See weapons, backslot, reading size, and stuff. Hello, me. You. What's good? Alright. What's your? Alright. Yeah. I would like to get stream music. I just don't know what music isn't copyrighted. So yeah, and I don't want to like get copyright strike, because that would be bad. Anyway, we are currently going to be just making some weapons. It's good to set up mixins. Call some more stuff up. I didn't do this beforehand because I want to show it, but now I realize that's a bad idea. Either way, we're gonna do this, restart this. Okay, client, edit. There we go. Now I'll be myself when I load up. Stream was behind for me, SMH. Yeah, there's probably a lot of input like delay, or like stream delay. But anyway, we're gonna do some more stuff. We're probably gonna copy over some code a lot today, sadly. Yeah. First of all, we're gonna work out a doorbell. So um, let me draw something real quick. Get Krita. Open up. Open up. Okay, sure. Okay, this will be fine. So I'm gonna try to make like a chest plate today for Minitech. And it'll basically be like this is off. It'll be like a chest plate. Yes. It's gonna like this your face, and then it's gonna have like two wither heads like floating about next to your main head, and then you're gonna be able to like shoot one of them off to like be like a projectile, which will just be like the normal like wither projectile. You're gonna be like wow, and you're gonna do that to both of them, and then it'll be saved, which one you've thrown out, so it will stop this guy from being here. And the next guy, and then they will reset after some time. That's the goal. Don't know how fast this is gonna be, so it'll be something. But yeah. Alright. Let me get a couple of things. Actually, sure. But not this one at all. I'm just checking stuff right now. I'll grab this, which is from my testing, where I like test some stuff. I have this city render thing, so I can display the head. Where is it? Well, blue. Ah, there you go. When I copy this over, we're gonna make a new package called registry. We're also gonna make a new thing called render. And here we'll put the YouTuber it will be like YT weapons feature renderer. So what this will do is give a bunch of errors. No. What it's gonna do is basically just render. I'm gonna do some math while you do this. Alright, have fun. It's gonna render the heads, like show the heads of. Yeah. I think the easiest way to do this would be like grabbing a wither skeleton skull and just rendering that. I'm gonna do that first. And yeah. So we don't need this. We don't need this or this. Oh, yeah, we need this thing. So for that, I'll also copy this over. I just have like a mod here that's like very buggy and should not be played, where I test a ton of things on. So on the vendor, we're gonna have the vendor state entity vendor state add-on. It's for YT weapons. It's gonna just basically save the entity for the client so that we know what's happening to the player. So we know if it's like wearing the chest plate we're gonna make. Divided by 20. Yeah, we don't need a beacon thing. Ooh. This is gonna be interesting. We want this on the body. We're gonna try this first. One scales need to be there. Just gonna rotate this by this state dot body job plus client. Oh no. Plus. Wait. So we want this negative plus the state dot head relative height, y'all. Oh, that might be better. Then it'll be relative to the player. Where, like, the body. Let me just keep this up. Oh, we already have this up, so. Like, let's say you have the body, but your head can, like, look this way, but your body can look like this way. Like, this can be looking like that, and you can looking like that, and then it's gonna be off. So what this will do, hopefully, is just get the difference between them. So that would be nice. Let's do none there. This, all of this code is just, what is this? This is bad. State that outline color. There we go. Because this is gonna render it. This is gonna prepare it for rendering. This matrix tag is like the position. So when I start having a position and stop, because else it crashes. Or it like bugs out. Okay, let's try having just one. Now to add this to the player, we are going to have some mixins, which are just things where I can edit Minecraft itself. Ooh. So we want to render a mixin for the to be able to have the render state add-on actually, like, you know, this, why is this thank you weapons? This should be YouTube weapons dot YouTube weapons and it's having living added to the client side of things. Then we want the actual render state itself to have the add-on. So it will be like, I import this, and then it'll be YT weapon. There we go. That's all good. There, and that. Let's close this. We don't need it. Now we're gonna go back here. We need one more thing, but I feel like it would be better if we do two things. Because obviously, there's a player which wears armor. I think it might be cooler if instead of player, do just any living entity, like an armor stand, or like whatever, or like even a zombie, so they can all show the hits if they wear the chestplate. Which for now we're just gonna do a diamond chestplate. We don't have the chestplate yet. Living entity renderer. This is obviously wrong. Does this even have a feature renderer? Add feature, yep. Okay. Add YouTube feature renderer. This needs to extend a lot. There we go. boom. And then we want this part as well. Boom. And this is wrong. Get rid of it. Create construction matching super. Yes, add feature. Okay. Context. There we go. Where's you wrong? Feature render context. It's not right. I think we are gonna just have to do this separately for the armor stand. Then it's a bit sad. A little upsetting. It's okay. To work on the feature renderer. Get rid of this code, it's not used. It's gonna give errors, I think. But yeah, now every player that is player will now have this, which we don't want. We're gonna have the player equipped stack of obviously the chest plate is of items. Oh, hi Chuka. Dot. No, we wanted the diamond chest plate for now. Obviously, the actual shooting of them is going to be a lot more difficult, but it should be fine. There we go. Just be one dot. Okay. I'm gonna just push this one more back. Yeah. Real. Yeah. The fighter that these people are making. We are making a weapon for min attack that's a chest plate where you have like you have your own head, then you have two wither skulls that you can like shoot out. Bah. Yeah. Right. But right now we're just doing the rendering first of the skulls, and then we'll do them shooting. So first we want one skull to just render. When we are ready. And for now it's just a diamond chest plate. Yeah. It's loading up. I don't care about the narrator. I don't need it. Let's do my settings. Y'all can rate my settings if you want. It doesn't matter to me. But this is just how I play Minecraft. 8. Actually, that's 12. This. I don't like wing yet. And if you made so you can hold down a button to charge them and release them with faster speed or higher explosion damage. That would be cool. I'm thinking. Why am I number 2? Sigh. SMH. I'm thinking about being able to shoot your head if you hold down the button. to like do the super head, but that'll be later. For now, I just want a head to shoot. It shouldn't be easy. For now. Okay, there we go. Just make creative. There we go. Wait. Why? Two opposite worlds. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay. So yeah, right now we don't. Here. But when we do this. Oh. I mean. That's not quite right. Think I know why though? I mean, it does work. It does like follow where I'm looking. You see my head on this Minecraft? Yes, exactly. Of course. Alright, let's dive back into the code and change some stuff. So it's like upside down, meaning we wanna rotate. This is for rotating. Will be like positive C and 180 degrees. Now when I hop back in, it should rotate. Hello? I just took a bit. There we go. Now it is even lower. Amazing. It's just in the ground. This is still not correct. You just think to also rotate on the x-axis. Plus x 180 degrees because we needed to face us. There you go. Nope, not quite. Let's remove C maybe? Yeah. Okay. Interpretation is described in the English dictionary as the loss of without or with intention. Interesting. Let me... Also, we want this to render twice. I forgot. Almost. I would never forget anything. We want this less far away and higher, so it's negative. Oh, almost. We're the ones that are around there. Let's spawn a wither capability. Can we spawn it before they are? What do you do? Yes. Okay. So these things. Ah, okay. When? No, okay. Oh, the middle head is way bigger. So we probably want this one to be smaller as well. Let's just stick free. There we go. Now it'll be fine. We can still move around. You can shout a blue. But yeah, you can see like this one's way smaller than the middle. What if we made our head big? Would that be funny? What do y'all think? Check one thing. more balls too. What? Yeah, it's hmm. Oh, I punched it. Oh, now he's red. Oh, there we go. Oh, now it's really weird. Now it's stop moving again. Okay. Let's do another one. This is a better example. Yeah. When I punch, but I shoot him. Okay. Let's get side by side. Oh, that's a very different. Hmm. We do about this. Can we render a model part? I think so. Model part. Big. River. Multi-model. Uh. New. Model part. Ooh. Hmm. Yeah, multi-model. Right head. Right head. Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. I don't think this is gonna work very well. This is private. It's annoying. Yeah, I don't think we can render that new. We need to modify. Hmm. Oh, I have a silly idea. Get constant model with head. We want head dot render. Matrix. Then we want vertex consumer. Hmm. I don't think we have that. We do not. Unless the Minecraft client is Minecraft client that gets instance. And we might be able to client render vertex game render hmm need to get okay from the render queue. Are you sure? Queue dot uh gets yeah doesn't seem to be anything. Hmm. Um. I remember doing this at some point. I don't remember how. Oh, I remember where I did this. It was in Minis Magic. Let's look at this. And then we go client. And over here we have PC, consumer. Turner Cortex. Another Veniverse code. I suppose. Render. Oh yeah, we can go just to any render. Render. Should render. Render. That is not correct. Probably wanna go somewhere like. We'll just go entity render. There we go. Render. Submit. Oh, that's not correct. Should put that in. Living entity render. We're diving deep in the code. Yeah, usually they just have the model. It seems. Or get renderer. This doesn't use vertex either. Can you not be like new vertex consumer? No. And that's vertex. Rather annoying this is. Okay, this is just using another model. An entity model. I mean item model. Yeah. I cannot do this anything. It's a bit annoying. Let's get back to this. Seems like correct. It's really annoying that I can't like do that as well. Okay. But that's about right. I think. Yeah, look at me now. Yeah. I wanted to look at me, like where I'm looking, not just the one way. Hmm. Oh, that works. Look. Oh, it's very strange. Hmm. That's not correct. That is. That is not. Hmm. If we did this. Oh, I get it. Yeah, I get this. One. I am back. Yeah, it's behaving like. Oh, it's not really what we want. You should do this rather. No, it's very wrong. Hmm. Rid of you. Hmm. If we only had the pitch changed first. Ooh. Oh. Ah. That doesn't. That's not correct. I'd rather have the other option of this. Maybe even like this. Yeah, when I look up, it's changed. Maybe. And matrix that, but multiply. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, there we go. I want this to be this. Probably. And we want these floats. No? Oh, I'm dumb. Hmm. There. There we go. Maybe now it will work? Missed the button. No, that's very wrong. Like from here it's fine-ish, but then you do this. Then it's not. Hmm. Used to be 0. It's a bit better. If I had this, like this. No. Hmm. Annoying. You can see in the inventory. bugging out just by us looking up and down. Very annoying. Let's see the difference between this and then zoom all the way in. Go like this. Do this, and then I'll swap this over to the other screen. And then look at the difference. Okay. So we went the other way. More the other way. Bit more the other way? Yes. Huzzah! We did it! Yay! Now it's more like to me. And I think I changed this from -1 to be positive, like -0.1 to be positive. Oh wait, why is no? I didn't even notice this. No, why is Minecraft like that? Always been like that? Oh, I feel so bad. Oh, oh. Why did Minecraft like do that? Bruh, you couldn't see what I was editing. Oh, oh, this. Oh, such a bad streamer. Yeah. How long has that been? Because I just fixed it, but I didn't know. Yeah, that's it's been for a while. Oh, you should have told me. No, I didn't mean to have two Minecraft. No. Now I will do this. No. Bruh. Well, I'll make it up to you by rendering another. Oh, that's very wrong. Hmm. Right. Right. So the editor. Oh, you did see the editor? Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah. Probably wanna pop this after this. And do this. Now we want this to be negative. Then we matrix just push to start. Then we matrix just pop to end it. So a lot of repeat code, but now it works. Yeah, we got two heads. Two heads. But I want them a bit smaller. Very interesting. How about we do like right before we run them? Make it like that. Scale 0.8 f, 0.8 f 0.8. Okay, let's see. What does this do? Oh, think it's a little small. Actually, no, that's good. It's very good. There, a little lower actually. 4 or 5. Yeah, that'll be nice. I hope. Get rid of this. Yeah. Okay. Pretty still want this a little lower. Just because it looks weird. Okay. Yeah. Get another head now. No, let's fix the other one, because right now it's like a staircase, like ooh. But yeah. Change like this though. And we grab the skill. Let me show you what it is without the skill. Ooh. It's not at the same spot. We do this to negative. Like without the skill, it's just really big. So we want to scale it down. Yeah. Now the next part is where it gets tricky. Because either we make him shoot or we change the chest. Both are gonna be annoying. So I mean we can change it to netherite first. Because it'll be a darker chestplate. Netherite chestplate. Now it'll disappear. Okay. Yeah, we're evil. We're evil. But let's get Minitex thing on. I think that could be funny. Let me search up the UUID. Name MC. Minutes. Okay. Minutes attack. Okay. UUID. Let's close Minecraft. Edit. Change this part to be their UUID. Then change this. Back. Apply. Okay. Boo. Now I did have a different idea, which I already said, but I'm gonna see because Minotac skin kind of looks like a wither already. If you look at this, it's kind of a wither. So what if you just, instead of doing the item of like wither skull, you just have 2 of your heads? Oh, that looks cool. I think. There you go. Ah. It looks like I'm edited in. That's really different. Cool. Yeah, why don't we try that? You just have 2 little tiny heads. Alright, it's gonna be just for fun. Not actually gonna do it. View that's mid model part. You want context model head, and then matrix stack. Entity entity render. Wait, what? Layers dot in see. Check it out. Ooh, I need a texture. I think we can just state dot we need a sprite. With more part. Can we not be like get context model dot head dot render? Oh, we need. It's so annoying. The vertex consumer. What? Farsh, do you have a way to get the? Do you know how to get the vertex consumer? That would be nice. Let's stay. Take up. Nope. So we got the client. Render. Okay, you'll take a look. Alright, thank you. Because it would be really funny if we can get a head to render, like our own head. Small little thing. Oh, it's been an hour? He got. Okay. I'm not the fastest coder, it seems. Look at this. Whee. They wiggle. They wiggle because if you punch, your body moves with you. What gate is here? Oh, that's it. But yeah. Also, if you think I can just log on any server right now and be Minitech, that's not true. This is like having a cracked account, kind of. So it would only work if the server was in offline mode, which allows cracked players to join, which doesn't even have your own skin, so you can't have your skin on those servers, which makes them really bad. Either way. Q.submit custom. Q.sub custom? Huh? What is this? Yeah, this is not what we are looking for. You used to just get the vertex consumer, but they changed it in an update. So now you don't have it anymore. What do you like? First, when I moved this. Very this is so cool looking though. Really like this. Let's make the keybind now. So I wanna shoot them. I shoot with the scrolls. Okay, so we're gonna make a new Java class called YouTuber Weapons Client. Go to Beacon Block Entity Vendor. Okay. Beacon Block Entity Vendor. Okay. Oh yeah, wait. or command Q render beam Q. Where is it used? Submit custom. Oh, oh, and then you can. Ooh, ooh, but that's nice. Wait, let me try that. Q dot submit custom media stack render layer dot cutout and ooh, yes. Then we can just get context model dot add dot render media stack vertex consumer light, which is just light, overlay none, and then state dot get out with its stacks. State dot outline color. Did this just work? Not seeing it. Oh, I need to restart because I did this. Let's finish this up. I don't think pinging me works like that. Yeah. Need just to implement client mod initializer. This is where stuff happens that you definitely cannot do on a plugin or anything. Oh yeah. Yeah. Right. Client cleaned, no, try, wait, is it client? Oh, I'm missing an client. Gonna keep this MIT for now, since it's all publicly available how I code this. I might change it in the future. This is math containing weapons made for YouTuber. Okay. Yeah. Let's restart the game. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Let's go like this again. Let's see. I'm not seeing myself. My head, please. Did not appear to work. Why not? No idea. There's no error. Am I sure this is how it's supposed to work? Oh, I know. There we go. It might have fixed it. No. What if we stop this one? Nope. We're just missing a head now. That's 9. Does not appear to work. Okay, for now, we'll just stick with this until RSAPE figures it out. Don't know. But yeah, now we'll just. No, it didn't work. I don't know why it's not working. Oh, it might be this. Here it does. Yeah. We cut out redo this. Hmm. Hmm. We know this, I guess. What? Resource? What you normally need? Do you normally need? Mid custom. Here they have eliminate beacon beam, picture ID, identifier, beam texture. Oh, textures. Dash. Do we need dot png? There we go. No error. Stop with this one. Comment it out. Uh, doesn't appear to work. Let's try this. Nope. Yeah, I have .png at the end. Weird. Um, try restarting. I'll try. I don't think it'll work, but I can try. Uh, hmm. Nope. No, it's just not working. I just don't think it's gonna work for now. Which is fine, because we don't want that either way at the end. We would love, actually. I'll do my research. Yeah, thanks. I would love to be able to render these like heads. This. It would be really cool. Okay. Finish your homework, please. Don't spend your time on this. You should need to do homework. But thanks for the help, by the way. Math helper though. Let me see as I do my. I love math. Math helper my beloved. Real. So true and factual. Anyway, we are going to need to look into the backstop now. Let's look at this code and take it. There's a lot, so let's be this part. We're gonna keep finding, finding ability. Actually, minute tag you and smalling it real. What is that emoji about? I cannot even tell. I don't think can tell with the emojis. Anyway, what's that? Copy more code because I cannot be asked. Yo, that's fast, dude. Minute key that 40 movements. No. Keep banging. Category. Oh, we need to identify it, bruh. Neutral weapon stuff, not idea. Come on. Okay. Weapon. Okay, like that, then. Eh. Expected one argument, but found two. Oh, and wait a minute, that's right. I can try that, yeah. 1 minute, please. Probably gonna have to restart. With empty model. I don't have right head, so I don't have access to that. Yeah. Let's just continue. Not sure if it exists. It does exist, but that's only if you have the actual wither entity model. You can't really. Wait. Yeah, you just need a modifier. Actually. Okay. We can render the entire thing, maybe. Let's see. Oh well, of course we need to restart. Yeah. We can also see if our keybind works then. Well, if it exists, it's not gonna work yet, but no. Seems to exist. Yeah, but the model part isn't public. I crashed. Let's see what's going on here. Oh. Underside. Can't Find part rib cage. But need a rib cage? I don't think this is gonna work. Oh yeah. Let's try getting this. Need a new payload folder for the keybind. So we are making this keybind work. Okay. Actually, I'm not even gonna. This maybe we can. Alright, that's fine. Where is the old, the one version of backstop mod? Yes. Key mod. Find. Okay. Just go to this. If Minitech key was pressed, new and a new payload. It will go Minitech chest plate payload. Okay. Copy and pasting. Huge weapons. YouTuber weapons. Get that one. Then if player dot is get whip stack equipment of chest dot is off items dot netherite chest plate. Then we will be like payload that no context that okay, we'll just be like player dot get empty world dot shoe. Yep. Again is shoe for now. Okay, never mind. Let's spawn entity. Spawn world spawn empty, and we just need a wither entity. Skull entity is a new wither skull entity. This comma player velocity. Just get entity tag wither skull and then the world skull entity. Set velocity. Alright. Player. Wait out. Pitch. Where is that? Yeah. 0 1 5 F. Then we put in the skull entity. And then now it'll set the velocity, but we need to set the position, collider dot with NC position dot add 0, figure it out. 5 minus 0.2f, so a bit lower than the player is tall. It will be this, and then we will be like new Minitech just payload. But this isn't all, because right now this would be cheating. You could just put in a payload to send to the server from the client to do anything you want. That's not how it works, luckily. So we will get so we'll register it right around here. I'm explaining what I'm doing. I'm not doing a tutorial. Just so I know. But it should now work. Alright. Okay. Hello. We can spawn quite a lot. But this is a little strong. So we want to put a cooldown on it. Like that. So in order to do that, we need a component. That is custom made to be to like save how many we've thrown, pretty much. That will open it back. Testing mod. Go item. Now we'll go not item component. It will be like mod item components. And then we want an integer, and then goals. Integer. Score underscore timer. Yeah. Score. Wait, what if we do score left? We have it a boolean. Score left. We have a score right. And then we'll have a score timer left. Yeah. And the score timer right. Yep. It will be super weapons. You know, registered item components. the server. Just gonna just be small. Let's keep it nice and tidy though. So it'll be like mother item component stuff, because else this whole code bit doesn't load. Payload, and then we if no wait dot add dot set mod item commands dot scroll left comma root. Wait, we want this to be if player get the items components scroll left is no is equal to no. We wanna do this. It's a very long line. It'll be fine. Scroll right is no. Scroll right to true. Scroll timer left is no. Timer left to be 40. Will be right. Right. Okay. Now, if this, if we have this now, then we get to shoot one, of course. This for if we have left or right, and if we have left, then set it to false. Else, meaning we have the right one, gonna set right to be false. Okay. And then we want a mix. Let's take this one. Instead, make it earlier. To be mixing. Gonna mix him to player. And see. Wait, no, we want this item. We just want this item. We're gonna change this to be in the chest plate. It's code later. But right now we want inventory tick. Want this to be there. Tick. Then if stack dot get the item components dot scroll time left less than 40 stack set scroll time left stack dot get the plus 1. So we're gonna add to it time right 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 this should only happen if left is not null and right is not null. So that it actually exists and that's not. Ooh, what's it that is? Oh no, that's fine. Okay, lots of talking. Let's see if it works. Now, then. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we crash. Will we crash? We don't crash. Oh? Oh? It's spamming. It doesn't seem to add. This exists. It's not null. That's not null. Payload should set these two not null. Let's see. Actually, then. Minutes hack. Okay. Let's go to the right. Let's go left, right. Okay. I dumb. Guess. Else. So if it's more than 40, which is index. So if it's less than 40 ticks, there, scroll right, and now we'll be like, make this look nice. So scroll, and then we do need to restart with this because it's in the mix and they didn't set it up properly. That should be fine. Very doable. Okay. Should be able to just still spam this. Doesn't seem to like us thing. Oh, I know. I'm dumb. Scroll timer left should be 0 now. Scroll timer right should be 0. Now it should work. This big text everywhere. I'm spamming? Yes. even like if you really want to. It is a very bad sound. It is a sound you do not want to hear. That is it re-equipping. We'll change that later. Because for now I just want it working. I want to change one more thing. Oh, wait. You see that? Oh my. That's my head. That is in fact my head. What? What? Hmm. Trying to figure out something. Look. It does work. Kind of. It's kind of working. Hmm. Okay. It's kind of working, but not fully. Sweet meat. States that skin texture body that texture path. Ooh. Oh. But that is not what we want, is it? No, no. No, no. I have an idea. I mean, I don't want to mess with this too much because it's gonna take a lot of time. And it's not even what I really want. But it would be funny, so maybe let's just try it. So what we want is to find camera entity. Play. Hi Eric. Get X. Hmm. Hmm. Ah, yes. Minus layer dot get X, comma kind dot cam get Y layer dot get Y. Oh, it's not good. Minus comma and let's get cam and C dot get C minus layer dot get C. Does this work now? What did I just do? Okay, fine. Can't see why we'd have to do that, but okay. Hmm. Is there a giant head? It's not giant, it's just really close to the camera. But yeah. Let's see. This is what now? No. No, it does not. Let's see, it's like we see that though. Um, I might just make down or like that is it. Yeah, that's the thing. But I think I know what's going on. How do I get the camera? Like, get. Hmm. Get used to this. Yeah. Whoa. What? What is happening here? What is happening? Um. Hmm. I think something's wrong. I cannot lie. I think something's dead wrong. Yeah. Hmm. Very interesting. Okay. Why do we not see a head? Do we? No, we do not have an idea of why this could be. But single play. This. There. Boom. No, this is just not good. Hmm. No, let's not try this. It's taking too long. Too much of my time is gone to waste. So, yes. There we go. Hmm. Let's restart. And yeah. So the last thing we need to do is to do. This is like the one on the right, so if play okay. Whip stack chest get okay, so skull right. It's not null. And that we shall do is equal to this. Okay. Okay, that's done. Oh, we're back in this world. That's what I wanted to do, but is what I did. Oh, I'm done. Skull, relax. Skull, relax. On my left shoulder, it's you down. Yeah. Yes. Ah. Yeah. That's so cool. Crouch slide. I'm gonna change the keybind. There we go. Oh, nice. Yeah. Are they still? They keep the potion effect? Oh, it just dies. But that's funny. Like they also. This is great for Mark Swamp as well. But I'm gonna do something else with that. Yeah. Yeah. I think we should make this a little. Take a little longer to like restart. So. Yeah. Let's try. 10 seconds. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Got it to work. It's fully working. It only took 2 hours. Yeah. Yeah. This is really cool. I really like the heads. Going onto the shoulder. Yeah. Let's see how it looks fully. Ooh. Okay, it's gonna take a bit. 10 seconds. Oh, it works. Yes. Gosh, brah. Can you even like jump? Almost forgot about this. Stop, if it works, it works. Almost works. We'll probably fix it next time though. Because for now, we are going to make this a custom thing. I think. I don't know, what do y'all think? Should I make it a custom chestplate first? Or should I instead make it not make the sound in your inventory? Ah. That is really cool. I'm in attack. Charge! Charge! Attack! Ah. Yeah. Die. Die. Slug. Be gone. Oh. Be gone. Oh, we probably also did that. That's so annoying. Yeah, let's kill an Iron Golem. Oh, Iron Golem. Oh, he's gonna die by himself. Oh, too bad. Ugh. Wait for our stuff to recharge. Let's go. I don't know. There's so much to like. Oh. Yeah, let's just let him die to the wither in this line. Oh, oh. No. I'm just alone mid-attack. Leave me alone. Yeah. Ow. Oh, I don't get with it. It's nice. On hard mode it deals more damage, so yeah. So we can really get them. Ow. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's so buggy. I feel like we should make it a custom thing later, but for now just fix the sound. But I'm gonna be right back and grab something to drink. So yeah. Let's leave a little message. Oh! Eat. Being right back. Zoom into this. There you go. Be right back. I am back. Oh, what's up? I'm back from grabbing a drink. So, bro doesn't know what's. Why are they facing the wrong way? Anyway. What? This one's a bunch. Very exciting. Anyway. Yeah, it's very annoying. The sound. It's sort of weird. It's also like very buggy. Like you could probably dupe your chestplate right now. But yeah, let's make a custom thing for it. But like a custom chestplate is gonna take more time for something somehow. Because I need to look up how to make. I haven't made armor in a while. Actually, wait. All we would need is like monolith made armor in. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I made it for endgame. Silly mod. But yeah, no, this is silly mod. Yeah. Just need a custom armor material. So yeah. Let's get mod items in here. There's a lot of code here which we do not need, like whatsoever. Get out of here, these things. Don't even need any of this. Just need armor dot materials. Let's see. New. We just wanted netherite with like custom. So yeah. Armor. Let's get rid of these things. All of this can go away. Like this. 8 defense now. It's just like okay. Why did I not copy this properly? Bruh. Really uninterested in these. Can we just register one? Oh, we can. Okay. Equipment accessories. Does. Let me get new. Hmm. Minitech. To be gone. this, this, this. You only really need the chest plate. Be like, chest plate. Okay, YouTuber weapons. YouTuber weapons. It's back. Okay. Like attack armor material. Okay. Yeah. Dude, they'll be the same as netherite, but they'll have custom texture and stuff. Be like or rid of this. Okay. Let me make this public. Okay. So now that that's the thing, we can. Yeah, that's fine. Is off. Mod items that really attack chestplate. Okay. This should be it. And then we want yeah, sorry. Mod items dot mintech chestplate. Yeah. Okay. Do not need this. Let's now see what happens if we reload. Oh wait, no, that's it. The weapons and mod items dot register mod items. Okay. Let's see. Alright. Any missing texture? Nope. One thing I forgot to do is something silly. Let's get this. Griff, min attack. YT weapons, chestplate. And it doesn't show. It's annoying. Hmm. Ooh. What? Okay, cool. That's like cool. Yeah, man. Well, it's the same thing. Slash. Like this. Nothing. Brother. Oh, okay. Makes sense. Let's be like wait, yeah. How are you made? Armor. Hmm. Equipment types. Mm-hmm. What is an equipment asset? I don't get this. Hmm. Hmm. How? Okay, let's just do something. Mm-hmm. Equip roll. Death model. Setsuki. Model. Hmm. Hmm. That's weird. Very interesting. Hmm. Hmm. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, oh. No way. That is so weird. But alright. Hmm. Interesting. So an SS for one heal. Mine. Yeah. Equipment. Heal. File called minutes. Tech. This one. Let's just do this. No. We shall see if it works or not. Oh, it does. Oh, that's weird. That is awful. But I guess we're forced to do it. See, textures, and then it's see, and then it's equipment. Humanoid, chain. What your weapons? Your textures. And 50. for entity equipment humanoid. I've never done this before. Equipment humanoid. Then we want an image. Equipment humanoid. PNG. So let's just quickly do something. Just quickly. Now open texture. This to copy this. No. Copy this. Now paste here. Edit. Gonna change the brightness to darker. Contrast. Like that. Saturation go down. Just a little. I think this already looks pretty cool. Make it better. Still definitely very net, right? Look up with there. This one. This one. Maybe not. Wanna have some rib cages. This. I actually have to go. So let's do this. Okay. We are gonna have to go. Sorry. Colon. Net tech. Net tech. This. There we go. Boom. Reload. Does it work? Yeah. Ooh, it's very dark. Now we push this. And then we'll wait a bit. Should be able to have this. Could be. Yeah. Okay, keep in mind it's very bad texture, but yeah. Yep, I see you. I have to go. Bye bye. Bye bye.